Important: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. In a world teetering between financial stability and uncertainty, the clutter on your desk and the disorder in your finances could be silently undermining your prosperity. Surrounded by overdue bills and the volatility of stock market graphs, could the serenity of a Feng Shui designed space hold the secret to a thriving financial future? It's time to confront a compelling question. Is the disarray of your personal space directly impacting your wealth? Welcome back to Mystica Finance, the place where ancient principles meet modern financial strategies. In today's episode, we embark on a journey through the art of financial Feng Shui, exploring how the strategic arrangement of your environment can be the key to unlocking financial prosperity. We'll dive into how aligning your assets with the flow of energy can not only transform your space, but also pave the way for financial abundance. So, if you're ready to explore how your surroundings can influence your wealth, you're in the perfect place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest insights into achieving financial harmony. Join us, and let's turn your space into a magnet for abundance. At the heart of Feng Shui lies the Bagua map, an ancient tool that divides any given space into 9 key areas, each representing different aspects of life. Among these, the wealth sector, or Shun, located in the southeast, is of particular interest to those seeking financial prosperity. This sector influences our capacity for wealth and abundance. By aligning your financial planning space according to the Bagua map, you set a powerful foundation for abundance. Imagine organizing your financial documents, investment summaries, and savings plans within this auspicious area. It's about creating a dedicated zone where the energy of prosperity is nurtured and invited to flourish. By simply placing your financial tools and documents in alignment with the Bagua map's wealth sector, you're taking a significant step towards synchronizing your financial ambitions with the universal flow of energy. Let this ancient wisdom guide the layout of your financial documents and planning, infusing your aspirations with the energy of abundance. In the journey towards financial prosperity, the clarity and organization of our physical and digital spaces play a crucial role. Clutter, whether it's in the form of piled-up bills, a jumbled investment portfolio, or a chaotic digital filing system, can obstruct the flow of chai, or energy, thereby blocking the path to prosperity. The act of decluttering is transformative, opening up space not only in our environment, but also in our financial life. Begin with your physical workspace. Sort through paperwork, streamline your filing system, and designate a specific area for financial planning and documents, ideally within the Bagua map's wealth sector. Extend this clarity to your digital realm by organizing your online accounts, decluttering your inbox, and creating a structured digital filing system for easy access to financial information. This process of decluttering is not just about tidiness. It's a symbolic removal of obstacles on your path to wealth, inviting a smoother flow of prosperity into your life. Embrace decluttering as a regular practice, and watch as it clears the way for abundance, both materially and energetically. The physical arrangement of your financial documents and tools can significantly impact their energetic influence on your life, especially when aligned with Feng Shui principles. In the realm of financial Feng Shui, how and where you place these items is not just a matter of organization. It's a strategic approach to encourage the growth of your assets. Start by selecting a dedicated space in your home office that falls within the Bagua map's wealth sector, ideally the southeast corner. Here, arrange your financial documents, such as investment statements, savings account details, and financial planning tools in an orderly and respectful manner. Use a green folder for your savings and investments documentation to resonate with the growth energy of the wood element, symbolizing the flourishing of your assets. Place your financial planning tools, like calculators and planners, on a wooden desk to enhance the connection to wealth-building energies. By consciously positioning these crucial elements of your financial life according to Feng Shui, you create an environment that not only promotes organizational efficiency, but also energetically supports the expansion and prosperity of your assets. To truly tap into the power of financial Feng Shui, enhancing your wealth area with specific elements can significantly boost your financial energy. The wealth sector thrives on the vibrancy of the color green, symbolizing growth, and purple, denoting wealth and abundance. Consider introducing these colors into your financial planning space through decor elements like rugs, curtains, or desk accessories. Adding a healthy plant, such as a money tree or a jade plant, can further enhance this area's growth energy, symbolizing the organic expansion of your assets. Incorporating symbols of wealth, such as gold coins, wealth vases, or images depicting abundance, can serve as powerful visual affirmations of your financial goals. Placing a small water feature, like a tabletop fountain, can also stimulate the flow of chai, attracting prosperity and wealth. Remember, each of these elements not only decorates your space, but also serves as a conduit for wealth energy, actively inviting financial abundance into your life. By mindfully enhancing your wealth area with these Feng Shui elements, you create a vibrant hub of financial energy, poised to energize your planning efforts and manifest prosperity. In the world of financial Feng Shui, the power of intention cannot be overstated. It's the vital energy that directs the flow of qi, or life force, towards manifesting your financial goals. When you set clear intentions for your wealth and prosperity, you're not just wishing for financial success. You're energetically aligning your desires with the universe's abundance. This alignment is crucial in transforming your financial aspirations into reality. Begin by defining your financial goals with as much specificity as possible. Whether it's achieving a certain savings target, reducing debt, or generating new income streams, clarity is key. Write these intentions down and place them in your wealth area, infusing this space with your aspirations. As you interact with this area daily, whether through organizing your financial documents or simply pausing to reaffirm your goals, remember to hold these intentions firmly in your mind and heart. The act of setting intentions acts as a beacon, guiding the flow of prosperity energy directly towards your financial objectives and transforming the abstract into the tangible. In the world of financial Feng Shui, the power of intention cannot be overstated. It's the vital energy that directs the flow of qi, or life force, towards manifesting your financial goals. When you set clear intentions for your wealth and prosperity, you're not just wishing for financial success. You're energetically aligning your desires with the universe's abundance. This alignment is crucial in transforming your financial aspirations into reality. Begin by defining your financial goals with as much specificity as possible. Whether it's achieving a certain savings target, reducing debt, or generating new income streams, clarity is key. Write these intentions down and place them in your wealth area, infusing this space with your aspirations. As you interact with this area daily, whether through organizing your financial documents or simply pausing to reaffirm your goals, remember to hold these intentions firmly in your mind and heart. The act of setting intentions acts as a beacon, guiding the flow of prosperity energy directly towards your financial objectives and transforming the abstract into the tangible. Embedding Feng Shui into your everyday financial activities offers a powerful method to energize your wealth pursuits, setting a rhythmic flow of prosperity. Let's delve deeper into these daily practices to transform your financial energy landscape. Begin your morning by engaging with your wealth area. This could be as simple as standing in this space, taking a few deep breaths, and verbally affirming your financial intentions for the day ahead. Whether it's today, I embrace opportunities to increase my wealth, or I am open to financial abundance in all its forms. These affirmations serve as a direct conversation with the universe, magnifying your commitment to your financial goals, setting the tone for a day aligned with prosperity. As you move through your day, make it a habit to maintain clarity in your financial spaces. Regular decluttering of your wealth area, as well as where you store financial documents, digital folders, and emails related to finances, is crucial. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about removing any obstacles that might impede the flow of wealth chi. Start with small, manageable tasks like organizing a drawer or deleting unnecessary emails, and gradually work towards larger decluttering projects. Remember, each cleared space is a step towards financial clarity and focus. Another simple yet profound practice is to open windows near your financial planning area daily, even if it's just for a few minutes. This act welcomes fresh chai into your space, sweeping through to refresh and invigorate the energy around your finances. It symbolizes the invitation of new opportunities and the clearing away of any stagnant energy that may be lurking in your wealth area. Adding elements of growth, such as green plants or fresh flowers, to your wealth area not only beautifies the space, but also injects a vibrant life force into your financial endeavors. Choose plants like the jade plant or bamboo, which are especially revered in Feng Shui for attracting wealth. These living elements act as daily reminders of growth and prosperity, continuously energizing your intentions. Conclude your day with a moment of gratitude. Before retiring for the night, reflect on the financial progress and blessings experienced, acknowledging them with thanks. This practice of gratitude amplifies the positive energy surrounding your finances, attracting more abundance. It can be as straightforward as mentally noting 3 financial positives from the day, or jotting them down in a journal. By weaving these Feng Shui practices into your daily routine, you actively participate in shaping the energy around your finances. This consistent alignment with the principles of abundance not only nurtures your financial growth, but also enhances overall well-being, paving the way for a prosperous and balanced life. Feng Shui transcends mere decoration, serving as a profound tool for navigating the complexities of financial planning and wealth accumulation. By harmonizing your environment with the principles of Feng Shui, you invite not only physical but also financial well-being into your life. Today, we've explored how aligning your assets with the energetic flow can illuminate your path to abundance. Now, it's your turn to apply these principles and witness the transformation in your financial landscape. If this journey has inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mystica Finance for more wisdom on integrating ancient practices into modern financial strategies. Have you experienced a Feng Shui transformation in your financial life? Or do you have questions on how to get started? Share your stories and inquiries in the comments below. Together, let's embrace the journey to financial enlightenment, empowering each other towards prosperity and abundance. Remember, your environment shapes your destiny, and with Feng Shui, you have the power to craft a destiny rich in wealth and happiness.